Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Isha, and I'm here with a pick a card reading on the topic what is the one major blessing that you'll definitely be receiving in the upcoming month. This is a timeless reading, so it will apply to whichever month you are in right now, the next month. And if you are at the beginning of the month, like in the first week or so, you can consider that this blessing is coming in within this month itself. So now that the intentions are set straight, let's begin. I have three options for you to choose from. This is going to be pile 1, this is going to be pile 2, and this is going to be pile 3. Don't worry if it doesn't resonate in the first 30 seconds or so. You can try another pile, and if nothing is resonating, please let it go. Please select your pile and fast forward to your chosen option. So now I'm going to start with pile 1. Hi, pile 1. Welcome to your reading. I want to start by saying that I see that there is some sort of a loss that you're going through right now, or you're perhaps disappointed about something, worried about something, stressed about something, and it could be related to either your health or it's just a situation where you have to be strong. I do see there is something difficult that you're going through right now with your emotions as well. This reading is about blessings, remember. So, blessing that is going to come in is a lot and lot of divine support. Divine is already supporting you, but now the support that is going to come in is going to be felt by you very deeply. I feel like there is some person who's going to be sent by the divine, and this person is going to guide you through it. Now, this person could be a counselor, someone who shows you a path, or it could be someone who heals you. So, I do see that there is some divine guidance. It could be that you're getting a reading from someone as well, or it could just be that you're getting some sort of a download from your higher self itself. So I do see the divine is sending you support through this person. Now, see, this is a general reading. Romance part can apply or it cannot apply as well. But I do see that there is some person or some project or something that you're called towards, that you feel like you are pulled towards it. If it's not a person for you, it could be something that you're meant to do, that you're destined to do, and you feel a strong calling towards it. And a person could be involved somehow, but not necessarily. This could be a separate thing. Okay, wait. Now I'm also getting that this person could be very kind, caring, empathetic, and could be a spiritual person. I do see that it's possible that this person could be a male figure. What I'm seeing is that your heart is going to flutter. So either this person is making you very happy, not only healing you, healing your heart, but I definitely feel like there's a strong pull attraction towards each other. But on the other hand, it is not necessary that it's romantic. It could also be that your higher self is guiding you to do something, work on some project of yours or something, which is going to bring a lot of abundance, is what I feel like. It's your calling. It's your calling to do something, and you feel a strong pull desire to do it. So that is what I'm feeling. Now, coming back to the situation about health. Now, if this loss or lack was about health, then there is a person, again, a doctor, healer kind of a person, someone kind, empathetic, who is helping you heal. This message I'm getting again and again. So, this person is coming through the divine. The divine is sending this person, the divine is sending someone guide you through whatever you're going through, and not only guide but heal you and make you feel happy. And you are deeply connected with your higher self as well in the upcoming month, and that's a major blessing. I do see a lot of divine support around you. I also see that for some people, there could be something creative that you're doing, and perhaps you will get some sort of downloads or insights about this creative project that you're nurturing, and that is going to be your major blessing. For some people, you could be working on like health, beauty, or self-care, self-love, those kind of aspects. Because I do see, like, if it's not resonating in the romantic aspect, I do see the love towards self aspect a lot, because you do have the higher self card and you also have the self love, self care card. So it's about nurturing yourself as well. That could be a major blessing. So you will be feeling abundant where it comes to treating yourself nicely, treating yourself to whatever you desire. Like something about body fitness could be relevant, something about looks could be relevant, anything that is self care for you could be relevant. Now, I also see for some people, there could be a lady who's a mother figure or who's pregnant. You are bonding with this lady, and that is your blessing. Now, another blessing is that someone could literally be pregnant. You or whoever it is deeply bonding with the child. And what I feel is like there is divine support and guidance coming in that area somehow, is what I'm feeling like. This is your major blessing that I'm seeing. So, to summarize, what I want to say is that right now you could be feeling lack or loss, and you have to be strong perhaps. It could be something about health, something that stresses you, something that doesn't let you sleep, perhaps, and worry a lot. Your blessing is that that energy is changing. That energy is changing because the divine is supporting you throughout. The divine is going to send you a person or insights, guidance, and that is going to help you heal. And your heart is going to flutter, even if it's not a person. Though it could be for some people, even if it's not a person. I think you're creating something with love. I can say that. Literally creating something with love. You're giving a heart to it, and in return, like you're feeling very joyful. And it's like the opposite energy you're going to be in from what you are experiencing right now. And there's a strong pull and attraction to whatever this thing or this person is, and it is divinely blessed and guided. And that is your major blessing for your upcoming month or this month if the month has just started. So, yes, that's about it. Enjoy. Bye. Take care. Hi, Pile 2. Welcome to your reading. I want to start by saying that I feel like you're very scared right now. I see that you're very worried, anxious, your fears could be creeping up, and this could be because some sort of a door is closing in your life. And you might be thinking if there is still a possibility for that door to be open, for that union to happen, if there's a possibility for that to happen. You might be thinking like that, which is why you're being very stressed right now. And that is why your blessings are coming in, because this reading is about the major blessing, right? So, firstly, stop worrying because I do see a hidden surprise for you. You know what's going to happen? Your major blessing is that your energy is going to clear. So, the energies of worries, doubts, fears are going to clear. And if something is leaving your life, if some door is closing, that is a major blessing for you. Trust me. Because just as you clear your energy, there is a blessing coming in your life. And I want to say that you people are very innocent. By two, I see that you people are very innocent. Y'all are very emotional, is what I feel like. So, from the energy of fears and depth of emotions, I do see the innocent, childlike energy coming back. So you're going to drop this burdensome situation, and whatever is going out, it's going to be cleared, I want to say, and then the major blessing is coming in. So what's happening is that there is going to be some healing and balance being restored in your situation. Healing is definitely happening. Perhaps some burdens are going to be put down and you're going to be healed. And you know what's going to happen? You're going to get a fresh start. So you're going to be in this free energy after this in your coming month. Maybe this is hidden from you. I told you there is some hidden surprise And that surprise is a fresh start to go on some sort of an adventure, to learn something, perhaps to be curious. I do see this childlike energy again in your reading. So I do feel like what's hidden is that you're going to go on some sort of an adventure or take some sort of a risk, which is either regarding something about learning, or it could be about talking to a person, perhaps someone younger, not necessarily. But I do see there is something about study as well. But I do see that there is some sort of union that is happening, and you are fearful about some possibility of union, or you are like not sure, right? If something is closing or no. So I would say that a union is definitely happening, but it is possible that the door is going to be closed on something that was really toxic. Your energy is going to be cleared, and from you feeling left out, you are going to go on an adventure, perhaps to learn something, and there you'll meet someone new. If this is resonating in love aspect, if it's not resonating in love aspect, it could just be any opportunity, career wise, travel wise, or whatever that opportunity is. So if something doesn't work out, trust the divine. It is a major, major, major blessing, because that would have given you lack, made you feel burdensome. And what divine is doing for you is healing it, is closing that door and healing your energy. And then, as you drop the burdens, you are going to feel very free. You'll have the drive, the enthusiasm, the curiosity, the innocence, the spark to learn something, to go on an adventure, to explore, is what I'm feeling like. And you might explore with a person. It doesn't have to be romantic, but it could be if people want that. But there is some union which is happening. If people are not searching for love or something like that, then it could be just the free energy that is making you feel one with yourself in some ways. Or it could be some sort of an institution wherever you're learning, right? You're learning something. So it could be some sort of an institution or something which is balanced and offers you something fair. Perhaps previously you didn't receive something fair, so that door was closed. Now, this new partnership, this new institution, company, if it is career wise or this project or whatever this is, this new thing that you just take a risk and leap into, this new thing is going to not make you feel burdensome, rather it is going to make you feel curious and excited. So you might be learning on the way, but you just leap into something. You might also be researching something. It's like research as you go kind of a thing, and it is going to be very fulfilling for you. One thing I wanted to mention was, for some people, if you got separated from someone or something, it's just one scenario, one case I'm saying. The energy of the toxicity, the burdensome energy is going to be cleared, and your blessing is that you will again reunite, but this time you'll be feeling more free, happy, curious, and literally like you want to be together with someone, or you want to do something, be in partnership with something or someone. So that's the energy that I see for you. Yes, that's about it. Bye. Hi, Pile 3. Welcome to our reading. I want to start by asking, who are you and what are you doing? Because your major blessing that I see is coming from a place of you putting a lot of work into developing something, and your energy is of someone who's super hyper independent. What I see is that something is being developed by you. Maybe it is moving slowly and not at a fast pace, but you're caring for it, putting that effort and nurturing it. And that is why this major blessing is going to come in, that you're going to be enjoying the rewards of moving to next level of something. So you're going to be enjoying the rewards of your hard work, definitely. And whatever is taking a bit long time right now, it's going to be moving into next level. And when it moves to the next level, you're going to be feeling very free, and you're also going to be feeling super happy. You will be in the energy of treating yourself, feeling abundant, independent. And this could be something that will also give you financial independence, is what I'm feeling like, whatever you're developing right now. And I also see that there is a lot of courage that is required for what you're doing right now. Because I do see a lot of strength that you have, that you possess. And if that is something that you lack right now, this is your blessings reading. So, your major blessing is that you are going to have the courage to push forward, to complete this and feel free and enjoy the rewards of your hard work, financial independence. Now, I also get a vibe that you might be doing this behind the scenes and not revealing it to people, but this is not necessary because there is another message which I'm going to come to right now. So, for some people, it could be that you are doing it behind the scenes, but I also get a message that there is a person who might have some sort of hidden motivations or agenda. And I do see your energy being very logical, practical. You'll cut off whatever doesn't serve you. That kind of energy I see you in. So, whoever that person is, you will be either rejecting that person or denying access to something, to someone. And that is going to be your major blessing because you're very wise and you're very intelligent and you can see through people, is what I'm feeling like. You can see through the mask and the facade. I do see that it takes a lot of courage to be doing something that you're doing, and you are protecting it, is what I'm getting intuitively. And what I also feel like, you might be making some sort of a decision or judgment about this person. And since this is coming out in your blessing, I would say that whatever decision you make, you will be choosing your independence and you will be protecting whatever it is that you are developing. So that is for sure, because I don't see you in any sort of compromise energy. Although I do see that someone who's coming towards you could be someone who's more about, status quo, looks, or maybe someone in a higher position as well, but someone who will match your energy somehow and someone who has a lot of courage. But I do see that you are not going to be settling and compromising, and that is your blessing. And I also see that if this is not about a person, then it is definitely about having the courage to perhaps reject something that is not serving in the development of what you're doing. I do see that even if it is taking time, you will give the time that it takes. You will reject what doesn't serve whatever you're developing, and you are definitely going to be rewarded. I'm telling you, your major blessing is courage, independence, financial rewards, tangible rewards. So there is a level up which is happening for you in your upcoming month, and that is going to be a major blessing. And one more thing, the person who's coming, that person perhaps is not a bad person for some people. Okay, you will know, your intuition will tell you, and you can see through the mask, right? So, if that person is not the person with hidden motivations or intentions or something like that, that person could be someone who could be helping you decide something about your project. But again, I do see all the creative controls will be in your hands. That person could be maybe denying something as well. And if someone denies you something, that is a major blessing, because you will feel like, thank God it was denied. Because if I would have accepted that thing, the thing that I'm developing, it would have not reached to this higher level, this higher potential. And it is definitely reaching, because I do see you enjoying literally what you've built. And I do see you feeling very happy, independent, free, and spending on yourself, shopping, and in this energy that I have built it. This is mine. I have created it, and I do not need anyone's name on it. See, you've built something. You've definitely taken all the necessary actions. You've done the research, because I do see you being very intelligent and taking care of whatever you're developing. I'm not saying this as a ego boost kind of a way. I'm saying this in a way that this is your baby. Whatever you've created is your baby. So it is yours and you have the right on it. You will be in that energy. You will be that, yes, I have created it, and you don't want any unsolicited advice. And it took you a lot of courage to go through what you're going through and bring this up to this level. It might come as a shock, as a surprise to someone or like everyone. But yes, this is happening for you definitely. And this is your major, major, major blessing. And if someone denied something to you in the past, then that situation was something that you showed courage in, and that is why you will be rewarded. It could also be that whatever was denied to you could be granted by that person now, and that is how the level up happens. That is just one scenario. Anyways, the level up is happening, whatever this is resonating with. And if it is something romantic as well, I do see you would be in the energy of not settling for anyone, and in the energy of focusing on whatever you're building, and you would be putting more of your energy in what you're building rather than the person. So you won't hesitate at all to reject someone if that someone is not matching your vibe, if that someone is not going to give you your freedom, your independence. You'll straight up deny, and you want to feel free and happy, and so are you. You are feeling very free and happy, and this is your major blessing that is coming within a month. Yes, that's about it. Bye, take care, enjoy.